In this video, I will teach you how to turn one singular prompt into dozens of t-shirt designs that are ready for print in less than 10 minutes. And the best thing is you won't even need a background remover or an upscaler within this process. All you need is Ideogram and a couple of free tools. I just ran a couple of tests inside of Ideogram for this Easter themed design, and we've got one version with a black background, one version with a transparent background in the prompt, and this is the one that I'm going to use for this process. I'm happy with this result, but I want this to be recreated for other animals, not just this husky. So I'm going to copy the prompt up here, and then we'll head straight to Gemini. You don't have to use Gemini. You could use ChatGPT or another AI tool that you can use for free. All I'm going to do here is say, rewrite this prompt for 10 other animals, including a capybara, goose, raccoon, frog. Let's do a cat as well, and maybe a Highland cow. I'll leave the rest of it up to the AI, and I'll also put prompts only, no images. And now I'm just going to paste the prompt, change this to the pro mode, and hit enter. If you're not on the paid subscription, you don't have pro mode, don't worry. This should also work with fast. And the reason I put prompts only, no images, is because Gemini likes to just run Nano Banana whenever you give it a prompt, even if you want it to be rewritten. But here we are. We've got the start of these generating capybara, goose, all the way down to the Highland cow. It's taken axolotl as well. I like that. Red panda, penguin, and a hedgehog. So the only other thing I need to do now is tell it to rewrite these without the headings. I could have set that in the initial prompt as well, but it is nice to see which other animals it comes up with at a glance. Now I want these literally just the prompts on their own, no headings at all. Once that's finished, you want to copy all the prompts. Just make sure not to catch the message at the bottom right here. So we'll copy everything and then paste that into the spreadsheet or Google Sheet, which I've provided to you in the description down below. So you can use this for free. It's already set up. All you have to do is just paste your prompt into the left-hand column right here. And once that's done, we're going to click on this little filter icon, hit clear all, and then choose only the blanks. Click OK, and then we'll just select all of these rows whilst holding down Shift. You can click on them and then right-click and delete selected rows. Now if we change this back to select everything, we will see just the prompts right here, nothing else. And that's basically it for getting the prompts in order. You can now go to File, Download, comma separated values down here, so CSV file, and then you'll want to come over to the Batch tab within your Ideogram, where you can upload a spreadsheet. You want to choose the one that you just downloaded from Google Sheets, and then you can click Start Batch Generation. And whilst this starts running right here, you can already go to your My Images tab, and you can see how all of these generate one after another really quickly. We're now getting batches of designs right here with a very similar style, just with different animals. And as you can see, they are on a transparent background, which means we can now skip through these, and whichever images are our favorite, you can just go to Download Up here and then choose 4K resolution. That is high enough quality for the use on t-shirts, at least on Amazon merch. And whilst right now you can't select multiple images and download at 4K, this will only give you the standard resolution. You can still click into one of these, then go to download 4K and just move on to the next one. So pick out your favorite results and just keep going at 4K, because it's going to queue all of those downloads right here. And as you can see, it keeps telling me right there that something new was downloaded, because I've gone through and selected all of my favorites right here for all of these animals. And just do that, keep doing it, and without a minute or two, you'll have your downloads folder filled up. Once that's done, you will find yourself with a folder filled with designs that are quite good quality. So 4000 by 4000 pixels, but they're also not really the right format for Amazon merch. And they're very high in terms of their file size. So 19 MB, 17 MB, we've got 17.5 down there. So how do we fix this? We're going to do this on readypixel.com, which will be linked down below as well. This is a totally free tool by Jose Quiles. And all I'm going to do is just drag and drop all of my files in here. I'll enable the trim tool and reposition up here, which is going to put it straight to the Amazon merch format. I'm going to align my designs to the top and add a little bit of padding. I can also preview these on white or on gray or different colors just to see that they actually look good. And after that, all that's left is changing the compression to high or very high right here to essentially make your file size a lot smaller. And then you can click all, and it's going to download your files in the Amazon merch dimensions and they're going to be a fraction of the megabytes. Now, unfortunately, the whole batch processing thing or batch generation is only available on the Pro plan, not on the default Plus plan, but I wanted to show you this process anyway because I believe this is nice and seamless. You don't need a lot of other tools, and especially if you're in a high tier, you like to work in batches, or maybe you like creating bundles of digital downloads for Etsy, this can be a really, really valuable option. And I've also got a referral link down below which will get you 100 bonus credits if you use it to sign up to Ideogram. If you're struggling to find niches to target with your print-on-demand business, check out this video next for a simple ChatGPT hack that will make finding low competition evergreen niches super easy.